Hello everyone, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS Standard 3rd Lesson number 3 Animal Shelters Video number 5. Need of a house. Very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. We live in houses to protect ourselves from them. A house also protects us from thefts. Some people live very close to forest. They have to face the threat of wild animals. A house protects them from the wild animals too. In short, shelter means a safe place where one is protected from sun, rain, wind, and any danger is called a shelter. Like us, animals also need shelter. They build shelters for themselves. Some other animals find shelter in safe places in the environment. Now let's see animals that build shelters for themselves. You must have seen birds' nest. Nests are shelters that birds build. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs, so they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Baby birds come out of the eggs. There are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. The nest keeps the young ones safe. That is why birds build nests. They use things like grass, straw, and twigs to build nests. They may even use cotton, wool, and pieces of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. But the nests of all birds are not all alike. Weaver bird. Birds choose convenient places to build nests. Look at the weaver bird. It chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. It builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. Tailor bird. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. This little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird. Some insects also build their own shelters. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliff. Rats and mice live underground in fields. They dig into the soil and make holes and the burrows to live in. Rats and mice also live in areas where people live. They make holes in the walls or under the floors in houses. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with cement. That is because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. Students, what we have learned? Animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun, and rain. Some animals build their own shelters. Students do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.